Yep.
Okay, I'm going to kick this through.
A woman on a rehab mission. This is what happens.
That's what happens when you eat Wheaties in the morning. Now what we're doing today is we're making this small little area into a bigger area. So it's 2 rooms, we're going to make 1 again. So we've been in here destroying this house up. I'll actually give you a walkthrough.
You can also see how much dust we're kicking up too.
Oh yeah. Okay, so let's do this walkthrough. Steve will probably kick the next one through. But look at how clean this carpet is. I thought about keeping it. What do you think?
I'm not keeping it.
No, we found that they kind of makeshift this little area here. If you can tell me what's wrong with it, I'll send you $50. Just write it in the comment section. First one that comments on it and gets it right, then you got to email us. But this fiberglass tub is in good shape. But this is what's wrong with plumbing. And whenever we buy used mobile homes, when people have had them for a while and they don't know how to work on them, that's not uncommon for us to find. We've got another sad little fan there with tons of dirt. So what are you going to do right now, Steve? You going to knock the wall down?
Taking this wall down.
Yeah, we have to.
Yep.
Or we can like leave a half wall up. Oh, I'm kidding. This is my office area.
Yeah, have it as a divider between the bedroom and the sitting or reading area.
Yeah, there you go. I'll be new into a mobile home.
Yeah.
But, you know, even looking at this little area, how big would you say this room is over here? You can't even fit maybe a twin-size bed, seriously.
This one's probably about, I would say roughly 8 by 10, 8 by 11.
Yeah. So the vents look good. Just got to clean them out. Looks like they kind of took care of that. They probably never had their heating on. But this is why we pull out all the old carpet, because look what we found down there all alongside this window. Subfloor damage.
Well, we knew there was some damage down here because look, you see how the paneling here is
rippled.
Yep. And then see how the wall moves when you push on it?
Yep.
That means the wood down here is rotten, so we're going to have to come down and reframe the bottom part of this wall in this area right here.
Alright. So we will probably keep that door like we did in the other mobile. And this door right here, we're going to take it off. 24-inch door. We'll seal this up and make this a wall. So you have a long hallway.
And before you ask, yes, we've done it before, so we know exactly how to do it.
Yep. Just have to keep this and seal this up. Have a nice long hallway. Put a better light up there. So here's one of the bathrooms. The Illuminati checkered floor. And this is a pretty good tub. So we got to clean this up and we got to get the plumbing in right. Probably end up putting a new toilet. Whoops, excuse me. In here. We always seem to put a new toilet. But the vanity's not bad. And wallpaper's not bad. We might leave this wall as a feature wall. Paint this wall because I already started putting some mud up here. And you got a old-fashioned medicine cabinet. Usually they sit into the wall. I like those new light bulbs. So we'll need new vents. There's a big hole there too, and of course it's in front of a window. Ta-da! And then we got the Illuminati checkered floor again going on. And I think Melissa and Kenny used to live here. What do you think? But tons of nails and stuff in this living room. Broken window over there we got to replace. New fan we got to put up. New front and back doors. Take this all up. There's a lot of subfloor damage in here. So what we're trying to do is get a lot of this stuff out. Assess what needs to be done in here. Plumbing needs to go underneath the house. This is the kitchen. I think we did a video of the walkthrough on this one when you first saw it. So I've been tearing down blinds, taking tape off the wall that covered holes, and coming over here. This tile, we're going to scrape this up. I'm surprised it made it through the move, but under here there's no tile. It's probably holes. This is towards the back door. We just finished pulling the carpet out of here, and you can tell they actually had a dog that liked to pee in this strip because it's bubbled up, and that kind of marking here is usually pee. So here's another window we have to replace and fix up floor there. And this big dip here, I don't know if you can see it. Subfloor issue here. We're going to pull up all of this tile that they put on top of the linoleum. There's a big hole in the floor there. Got to put a sink in here. So this is all going to come ripped up. Tub looks pretty decent, just needs to be cleaned up. Spider webs, it's not cracks. It's another solid tub. So this will last. We'll take off the handicap stuff. It's going to need a new faucet. So we're tearing it up. Got to fix windowsills too. New toilet's going to go in here and new vents. You guys pretty much have seen what we do. We're not putting doors up for the closet. It's going to be an open concept again. It's a pretty big closet. Lots of holes in the wall. I guess it's like a punching bag. A lot of fist holes. Then we got to rewire this. Get it done right. This door, I don't know what they were thinking. Scary. Light fixture is going to come down. This is the condenser that goes outside. But over here, that's the mobile home we just finished. We have tenants living in there, 3 amigos. And this refrigerator probably doesn't work, and if it does, we're not going to keep it, so that's going to go. And it does have a dishwasher. We'll end up pulling that out because they usually don't work. Stove, give it to Gary. We'll get another one. He refurbishes them. Strips on the walls. I hear Steve being busy over there. Let's go see real quick what he's doing. Pray over that. Anyways, yeah, here's some more fists and wall type of things that you'll see in mobile homes. Well, there's Steve. He's using a hammer. I just used my foot one time.
I was kind of hoping I could save this drywall, but
No, not when they glue them, and they do glue them. See all that glue? Right there.
yeah, right here.
Yeah, that one has lots of glue.
Let's see what we got.
So we couldn't save that, but we'll be taking this wood down and reusing it for any kind of framing and stuff that we need to do. But see all the dust flying around? I see it.
Yep.
So I'm going to put this away. We'll keep you posted and updated on our home.
Ti esperaré hasta mi día, te esperaré todo mi día, te esperaré hasta mi día, te esperaré